In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text in Canva, making your designs even more eye-catching. Underlining text in Canva is a simple yet effective way to emphasize particular words or phrases in your project. Let's explore how you can do this effortlessly in just a few minutes. First, open up your Canva account in your browser and navigate to the design you're working on. If you haven't started a design yet, you can easily create a new one by choosing from Canva's wide array of templates. Once you have your project open and ready, we'll focus on the specific text element you want to underline. Next, click on the text box that contains the words you need to emphasize. Once you click on the text, it will be highlighted and you'll notice that the editing options appear above your design as a toolbar. This toolbar is crucial for customizing your fonts, colors, and other text properties. Ensure your text is correctly selected to proceed with the underlining process. Now let's locate the underline icon on the toolbar. It looks like a letter U with a line underneath it. Depending on the version of Canva you're using, this icon might appear directly on the toolbar, or you might find it under more text options, often depicted by three dots or another drop-down menu. If you're finding it hard to spot, you can often just press the letter U on your keyboard as a shortcut, and your selected text will immediately be underlined. This is one of the quicker ways, especially when you're dealing with multiple text elements in your design. When the underline command is applied, you'll see the text transforms instantly with a neat line beneath it. Underlining is particularly useful when you're creating documents like resumes, brochures, or presentations, as it draws attention effectively to the most important parts. Remember though, not to overdo it. Using underlining sparingly can help maintain a clean and professional look for your design. And that's it, you've learned how to underline text in Canva in just a few steps. This simple trick enhances readability and captivates your audience's attention. Feel free to experiment with other text features and combine them to create stunning designs that effectively convey your message. If you have any questions or need further clarification, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.